and welcome back to my channel. So if you have already subscribed to my channel, you must have watched few videos of mine about some facial tools like Gua Sha and Jade Roller. So to adding to that group, so today I'm gonna tell you and explain everything I know about a facial tool. So that is silicone vacuum cup. So before I start with the video, if you are new to my channel and if you love skincare, you should subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So first and foremost, let me introduce this facial tool. So this is called silicone vacuum cup for face. So if you type the same on Amazon, you are going to get list of vacuum cups that's available over there. I bought one from there. So the name comes because it is made up of silicone, and the benefits why we need to use this silicone cup is because this helps in blood circulation, it helps in collagen production, it reduces signs of aging, especially wrinkles, and also it's fade away, it helps in fading away the scars as well. And very important, and the point because of which I love using this is because it's very relaxing. So now I'll quickly show how I like to use this vacuum cup, because there are different ways to try it out. I mean, when it comes to facial tools, people have their own way of using it. So this is my way, and please keep watching till the end because I'm gonna share very important points in terms of do's and don'ts. So that's how I like to use the vacuum cup. Now let's talk about some do's and don'ts that I have learned while using this vacuum cup. First, let's talk about do's. Always use vacuum cup on wet face. So always apply facial oil of your choice in good quantity. I mean, more than usually required. So you just have to literally slather all the facial oil to your face and then start using vacuum cup. Always use minimum pressure to start with, because if you apply a lot of pressure, what you're going to do is you're gonna suck a lot of skin, and that is going to hurt or it might cause bruises. After every use, please cleanse your cups. Now the most important thing, don'ts. Never pull the vacuum cup. You are supposed to glide it to your skin till the end, till the hairline. So that's how you're gonna use it. Never ever pull it. So once you just attach this vacuum cup, never let it sit on your skin for long. So it's like it's gonna hurt your skin. If you have any active acne or skin condition, or if you're prone to bruises, so don't use the vacuum cup on that. One important question, how many times should we use this method, and is it okay to be used daily? The answer is no. So less is more. So depending on your skin condition, you can use this technique once or max twice a week. I hope you find this video useful, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.